pre. Sa isyong hard at soft breaking in ng motor, saan ka?
Hard.
Hard breaking in ka rin. Bakit?
Parang sa alak lang yan.
Oh, sige. Ano?
Mas masarap ang hard.
Mas... Bilang mekaniko, saan ka? Ha? Hard break in? Bakit? Pag brand new, hard break in.
Bumagad sandaan.
Sandaan agad. Ikaw, pre. Hard o soft? Bilang mekaniko.
Hard tayo, para masag ako malakas at kung matibay.
Hard na agad. Hard na agad. Paglabas sa kasa,
Hard na.
hard na agad.
Giray mo na.
Ano?
Pag nag-break in ka ng motor, anong mas importante? Hard o soft? Ano nga sagot mo? Ha?
Soft lang.
Soft lang. Bakit kaya soft lang?
Hindi ka makasigurado kung mag-break na tayo sa kasa. Tapos break na yan.
So, sa issue na hard o soft, soft ka. O ha? Mekaniko, pre. Mekaniko. Ayan, nagkakalkal pa ng motor. Alright, what's up mga chaps? Ha. So today, we are in Puerto Azul again. Yes po, you are right. We are all right. So today we're gonna go ahead and talk about a topic, no, not an issue. An issue is different. Pag sinabing issue, may problema. But this is just a topic, no? Pag-uusapan natin na matagal nang pinagdedebatihan ng mga kamotor natin. Para hindi naman sobrang boring ng video natin, I'm gonna go ahead and take you to somewhere, no? Na legendary na sa amin dito, na mga tiga South. When it comes to breaking in motorcycle, kung meron kang motor dito sa Cavite, usually dito mo siya dadalhin, no? It's a legendary place, and it's the Caylabne Bay Resort. Hindi tayo papasok sa loob ng resort, doon lang babagtasin lang natin yung daan na yon. So I can also refresh my memory on how do I usually do the break-ins as well. Kasi to be absolutely honest with you, I've had at least 6 bikes in my lifetime, and all of them been through the break-in period. So now, without further ado, let's cue the intro. Ano tayo? Let's go, choppy dudes. Woo! Woo! Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Sabi ko sa intro ko umaga, tanghali pala. Sorry mga choppy, I would like to say thank you sa aking 824 subscribers. Yes sir. So from now on, subscribers na ang tatawag natin sa kanila. Since mga rider naman talaga mostly ang mga patrons dito. Magpapasalamat din tayo sa isa pa nating sponsor, which is Mrs. Beverly Villaruel, for sponsoring my camera. Yan! My camera and my lovely cell phone, so I can use to make moto vlogs to you guys. Yes sir, yes sir. So ngayon mga choppy, since nabati na natin lahat ng mga dapat natin batiin, na shoutout na natin lahat na dapat nating i-shoutout, pag-uusapan natin mga chaps kung paano nga ba talaga ang tamang pagbe-break-in ng motor, ano? Paano nga ba, ano ba, hard ba? O soft breaking in ba? Ano ba kailangan nating sundin, no, mga chapness? It's been decades na, no, na pinagtutalon-talunan niya ng mga motorcycle riders natin, mga kaon. Sasagutin natin yan. I will not suggest for you to use the hard braking. Huwag natin pahabain. I will not suggest hard braking in. I have nothing against those people, okay, don't get me wrong. I have nothing against those people who thought na ang hard braking ay tama. It's just that I'm not
you know, you're putting people, no, other people, especially the newbies, on an unnecessary danger. Diba? So under tayo, bikes are ridden and it needs to be written off. You know, yung saya ng pagmomotor is yung minsan mabilis sa takbo natin. Aminin na natin, that's how most of us do it. I mean, in my, when I was young, in motorcycling, I thought about that too. I want to have a fast bike, then I can rev off whenever I wanted to. But again, when you're just a newbie, or even though you're a seasoned rider, I will never suggest for you to use the hard braking interlude. No? There's no such thing. Kasi, no, bakit Chappy? Paano mo sabi? Dami na nagtatalo dyan eh. Kasi, guys, sobrang precise na ng paggagawa ng mga motor natin ngayon. No? Kung may issue man yan, lalabas na yan ng kusa. Few kilometers pa lang. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-spend pa ng maraming oras sa daan. Okay? Kung ano ba talaga ang bine-break in, ikaw as a rider. Okay? Gulong, yung gulong mo at saka yung brakes mo, yun ang bine-break in. Okay? At ikaw as a rider, hindi makina. Okay? So if you can imagine, no, kung okay ba yung hard braking in na yan na topic, sana sinabi na manufacturer yun sa'yo. Diba? But what are they imposing, no? What are they telling you? Diba? Stick ka lang sa, say, 40-60 kilometers an hour. Don't go above it up until the first 1,000 kilometers. Yun eh. Diba? Kung gusto mo talaga ng ma-break in talaga yung motor mo, choppness, use a wide variety of power bands. Oh. Monkeys. Hindi ko sila pag gantong araw. Ayoko naman mag-package eh. But don't feed the wild animals, guys. As cute as it looks like, and maybe you thought that tinutulungan nyo sila, well, you're not. Don't do it. Just let them be. Yung malaking bagay na yan. So yun, hard or soft braking in, don't go for hard braking. Kasi pag sinabi natin hard braking, pasok agad ng 100 and above. Yan ang hard braking in. So, kung bago ka pa lang, bago yung motor mo, just don't. No? Regardless kung seasoned rider ka na, it's still, bakit ka ba nag-upgrade ng motor? Bakit ka ba nabili ng motor? It's either luma na yung gamit mo or you wanted an upgrade. No? It's common sense. That's a new bike, a new motorcycle. The braking distance will be different from your old one. The power, the torque, it can be different too. It can be higher, it can be lower. You're just putting yourself in danger, and you're putting other people in danger too. I don't know if you guys will agree, but I consider motorcycles as missiles. Tama? Missile. Diba tama? So yun mga chapness, di lang tayo sa safe. Lahat na makikita nyo kung bakit dito kami nag-break in. Kasi kung ako ang tatanungin nyo kung paano ako mag-break in, ito, ganito. 50 lang. 55, ayan, makikita nyo sa camera ko. 50, 40, ganyan lang. I'm just taking my bike to this kind of places, no? To the free space. Kasi dito, gagamit ka ng wide ranges ng power band. Aakyat, bababa yung ano mo, yung RPM mo, no? Pwede kang mabilis ng konti, babagal ka. So talagang kung sa tingin nyo, kailangan pa rin talagang bine-break in ang makina, ganito nyo lang siya dapat gawin. Ang tawag dito, soft braking in. No? Ano ba yung soft braking in? Soft braking in, usually ito sinasabi ng kasa. Pagka bumili nga ng motor, nakasaan nila, sabihin nila sila sa'yo, sir, first 1,000 kilometers, change oil tayo. So sa first 1,000 nyo, 40 to 60 kilometers an hour lang ang takbuhan. Huwag kayong mag-ride up above. Which is, kung doon kasi nagsimula yung myth na yun eh. Alam mo, fresh na fresh yung makina. Meron talagang natural wear ang ating mga makina. Kahit na maligo ng langis yan, may mga parts pa rin na minsan eh magkakaskasan siya. Especially pag sinabi kasi nating breaking in, ang bine-break in natin is yung cylinder head at saka yung ating piston ring, no, para tama yung clearance na, hindi ka malulose compression. So yun lang mga chaps, huwag mo masyadong dibdibin yung issue na yan. Just ride within your capability. Lalo na kung ikaw na newbie. Dahan-dahan ka lang. Wala nang maghahabol sa'yo dito, chaps. Ayan, makikita nyo naman yung daan, malinis. Napaka-ideal ng lugar na to if you're braking in your motorcycle, kasi wala masyadong sasakyan, may wildlife siyempre, pero alam mo, manageable. Kagaya nito, ilang minuto na tayo guys, wala pa tayo nakakasalubong dito. So I suggest you do the same. Ang tamang break in. Plus, mag-enjoy ka pa dito sa view. Yan, no? See this road? It's super duper. Woo! Woo! Yan o. Wow! See? Yan lang. Sarap oh. Oh, diba? Ayan yun. Oh, patay tayo. Wala kayo dyan sa kanila. Hard braking. Mamatay ka pa dyan. Ano, oh. Oh, tingnan mo yan, oh. Oh, diba, oh. Pagkagalain, oh. Saktuhan lang, oh. Oh, bangking. Oh, gusto mo yan, oh. Pwede ka rin magbangking. Oh. Oh, saktuhan lang. Oh, huwag ka na malalagay sa bangkin. Woohoo! Ang sarap magmotor. Kita nyo naman mga chapness, oh. Walang kautaw-utaw. Dito masarap mag-brake in, kung newbie rider ka, alam mo, konti yung risk na madisgrasya ka. Unless magpapakamote ka, doon ka talaga pupuluti sa bangin. Pero ito mo, walang katao-tao mga chapness. Ito talaga yung maganda rito. Kaya dito ko kayo dinala eh. So medyo mamiyak-miyak ng konti rito. Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Oh no, dear baby! Woohoo! Diba? Ang sarap magmotor! Woo! Ayan na oh. Ayun. Ang linis ng daan dito mga chapness. So, yan na. We're here. Caylabne Bay Resort. Yes, sir. Woo. Yeah, this is how you want to do it. Ayan, may mga mamsis tayo dito. Ayan, so pull over lang. And yeah, let you admire the view. how this thing works. So, teka lang.
So ayun, Chappy, stepped out on our bike. And yes, we are here. So yun, meron tayong kasama rito. And I'll let you see the view once you are in here. And it's uulan. Wala akong mga gamit na waterproof. I don't know if you can see this, but there's medyo zero visibility. I'm so sorry. But I have pictures na pwede ko ipakita sa inyo later on if you're still interested in seeing it. But yeah, this place rocks. So yun lang mga Chappy. Yun na nga, again, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko nung una. I really don't recommend you guys to go on a hard break-in kasi kung nadisgrasya ka habang nagbe-break-in ka, you won't be able to enjoy this anymore. No? That's the essence of riding a motorcycle, is to be on the saddle, ride as far as you can, and enjoy the view once you get there. Diba? Paano pa enjoy yun kung sugat-sugat ka na, uwi ka na, o kaya sa hospital ka, diba? So yun lang. So yun lang yun, just simply follow the instructions that was given by the manufacturer and you'll be good. Kasi 60, Brad, hindi mabagal yun, sakto lang yun. For the narrow roads that we have here in the Philippines, for the pakalat-kalat ng mga aso and pusa, sakto lang yun, brother. hindi makakabawas sa pagkalalaki mo kung mabagal ka magpatakbo ng motor. No? Pogi points ka pa sa akin kasi you're being responsible. No hard braking in. Huwag nyo naisipin yung hard braking na yun. Just, though pwede mo rin siyang gawin, doon ka na lang sa safe, di ba? So yun lang mga Chappy. Well, thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you guys are interested, if you want to know more, if you want to see my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. And napalaking tulong sa channel kong yun. Ano? So again, without further ado, mga paregoy, I would just say, you guys ride safe. And ingat kayo. Have a blessed day. Yeah!